Hello everybody, my name is Pawan Kumar. I am working on a project named Tech Clouds, which is useful for the householders. Let's go to what are the problems faced by the householders. The problems faced by the householders is duplicating keys, which is done by the thefts, which leads to insecurity to householders and losing keys in some public areas, and the security problems on the personal personal things. And let's move to next. What is my solution for these problems? My solution is the digitalization of locks. The lock, which is connected with mobile app, lock generates the QR code scanner. Lock is a QR code scanner and mobile application is a QR code generator. What are the profits by using these locks which is connected with the mobile app? The lock is opened by the scanning QR code which is generated by the mobile app. Only the users of mobile whose mobile app is connected with lock can open the lock. The lock contains user ID and the mobile app has a tracking system by notifying who is unlocking the notification and the user is open the lock. How to implement the my project? The mobile generates QR. The scanner, which is attached to the lock, scans the QR. How to connect lock with the mobile app? While buying the lock is open. Initially, there is a button to connect to activate the lock. After activating the lock, you can install the app by install the app TechClocks. We can After installing, there is option called Connect. By clicking on the Connect, there is showing nearby devices which is located near to the mobile app. After connecting to the log, just just mobile, we click on the Connect. User ID appear on the mobile app. Tap that user ID will automatically connects to the log. Now check once by using scanner. By tapping on the way how the app uses. It is useful to check status of the log, to check previous history, premium for the better experience, help section, and log out is for switching the user. User can change from use one user ID to another user ID because we can use many places for log, for example, gate, doors, and etc. How how the app is useful. In the app bottom, there is consists a menu. By clicking on the menu, the bar appears as shown. What is a bar in detail? The bar consists username, which is created by ourselves while registering the user ID. The user ID while connecting the lock, different locks have different user IDs and the status of the lock. The status of the lock is when person is open the lock, then status of lock is shown unlocked. When person is closed the lock, the status of the lock is shown locked. After the status, there is option history, which stores the history of previous. Suppose person 1 whose ID is AXXXZ, open locks at 5:30 a.m. Suppose person 2, whose ID BXXXY, opens locks at 5:15 a.m. Person 3, whose ID CXXZ, open lock at 4 a.m. They, after history, there is an option called premium. It consists of plans based on services. We use app free also. After that, there is help section which is for how to connect the mobile with the lock. After that, there is a log out option which we can switch the user for different locks. Suppose there is a lock with user ID AXXZ. After clicking on the AXXZ, we switch the user to AXXZ. In suppose the lock BXXY. After clicking on BXXY, then we switch user to BXXY. There is an option for notification. If someone opens the lock, then we receive the notification. Person 1 is unlocked, and when person 2 is unlocked, then we receive notification. Person 2 is unlocked. Thank you.